Alright guys, so I've literally proofed and I've put it back on the bench, and now what we're gonna do, I've greased my mold, and I'm just gonna put it there, and then gonna probably maybe like 3 or 4 balls, and then I'll show you what to do. Or maybe a few more actually. And 3, yeah, 4. Then just bowl it like so. Just so you got like a nice round ball. Yep. Just gonna place it here. Here. And here, just like so. And then I grab one egg. Now, by the way, the book that I'm using for this recipe is Ferrandi, which is a patisserie school in Paris. That I actually highly recommend that book. It's very good reference. And you got like a whole lot of like different recipes for like chocolate or like cakes or like different like patisserie techniques. If you want to learn about patisserie, it's actually a really good book. So I boiled the kettle, so I've boiled some water. What I'm gonna do is put a bowl of boiling water in the oven, and then put the brioche in there, close the oven, so it's gonna create some humidity and a little bit of heat to help the brioche to proof but not dry out. And then just before I cook it, I will brush it again with egg wash, sprinkle some of the pearl sugar. I'll show you what it is. So it's like little, like kind of look like hair, and then this sugar doesn't melt in the oven, so it's just gonna like go nice and crispy on top. That's optional, you don't have to put it in. So I'm just gonna do that. I'll just show you. These are like 4 little buns. I'm gonna put it in the oven, put the pot of boiling water underneath, let it proof for a while, like maybe an hour and a half or so. Then take it out, preheat the oven at 180, and cook it for probably for about 20 minutes. And then take it out, and as soon as it's cooked, I'm going to take it out of the mold, just so it doesn't like reabsorb the steam, and that's it. So what I'll do is I'll post the finished product on my Instagram page, which is le_Fermier. If you want to check it out, I'll put the actual name, the tag on the description, so you can check it out, see the end product. And there's a whole lot of like videos on my IG channels as well, of me and my son as well cooking as well. My little 3.5 years old. It's pretty funny videos if you want to have a watch, and have a look. And that's it for today, guys. So I'll see you next time for another video. If you like my videos, you can subscribe or like and comment. If you got any suggestions, don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll see you later for another video. See you guys, have a good night.